Now, let us make a visitor welcome system. The first step, hardware preparation. One router with power adapter. One face capture camera with power adapter. One PCDuno 9S without metal enclosure and the power adapter. One voice box. 2 Ethernet cables. One mouse. One USB hub. One HDMI cable. One USB disk. Okay, it's enough. Then power on the root. But there is a wrong operation in the process. It's wrong to connect the power supply first. When you operate it, please connect the other device first, and then connect the power supply. Then connect the PCDuno 9S to the same root by Ethernet cable. You can also choose to connect it through Wi-Fi. And then connect the PCDuno 9S to monitor by HDMI cable and power on. Make sure the face capture camera and the PCDuno 9S are in the same network. Insert USB hub to PCDuno 9S and connect voice box, mouse, and the USB disk to USB hub. The USB disk, I have put the APK on it. Now, let's look at the screen. The next step, we need to install Visitor Welcome APK. I have put the APK on the USB disk ahead of time. Let us find the APK and install it. This is the Visitor Welcome APK. Please click it. Install it. Install. Please note that when building the Visitor Welcome system, you need to set up the face capture camera. We have set it up ahead of time. If you need to set it up, please refer to our tutorial. Open the app. Move the mouse to the top left corner. Here are 4 setting buttons. If you open the debug mode, The system will capture the stronger and display the strongest face on screen and mark the as stronger. Now we open the debug mode like this. Clean face management. To add face to the database, there have two ways. These ways lead to a USB camera. So now we choose the batch input to add face. Click batch input. Choose the face. We choose the bulb and oval. It's bulb. It's like this. After finishing, it shows a screen. Now let's take a look at the demonstration effect. There is oval, bulb, and a stronger.